Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn your phone into a webcam in less than 3 minutes. The first thing you want to do is go to dev47amps.com, download droidcam, webcam, and OBS camera for your computer. Go ahead and download the software. Go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see Windows Client. Go ahead and click on Windows Setup. Download the client here. Go ahead and download. Now install the client after it finishes downloading. Now let it install. Click on yes. Click on yes again. Click on I agree. Go ahead and go into droidcam client on your computer. First, you want to go ahead and restart your PC after you install the client. Now go ahead and open up droidcam client. After you have restarted your computer, go into your phone, go into the droidcam client onto your phone. Now there is a free and paid version of this app. The paid version is way better because there's more features. Now you can download on either iOS or on Android. I'm on Android, so go ahead and click on the little arrow icon on the top right. Click on the camera you want to use. I'm going to use the back camera. And now after you have done that, go ahead and click on enable. And now you should see your phone show up as a webcam on your droidcam client. Now go inside of OBS, go ahead and click on add, go into video capture device, click on OK, and go ahead and unscroll until you see droidcam video, click on OK, and now you should see your phone's webcam and your OBS. That's this tutorial. I hope you guys in any way. Please leave a like down below. Please subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials if this tutorial has helped you. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.